Welcome to the Tools and Tutorials site. And I want to make this little video to show you how this site works. So we've put a whole bunch of different resources on this page. And some of these will take you directly to a website where the resources is located, and others will give you a series of tutorials. So for example, if I chose Desmos Geometry Toolkit, you'll notice that it takes you here. This doesn't look like Desmos to me. Well, it's not. This is the way the tutorials are going to be housed. Initially, it'll ask you for your site, and that's just for us to keep track of which sites are using. We want to know who's using the materials, basically. But choose your site. I'm here at the district, so I'll choose district. And then it'll take you to this site. And it asks you the question, what would you like to learn? And it gives you a series of topics. So topic 0 is Desmos Product Suite Overview. Topic 1, Geometry Tools Overview. Topic 2, Construction Tools. Let's say I want to go with Construction Tools because that's what I want to learn. I'm going to choose that and hit Next. And it will take you to the Construction Tools tutorial. Now, the way this thing is set up, here, I'll press play. Most times you can click on this little button here to go to full page, but there might be something in the way the district has structured all of this that you have to hit the YouTube instead. So I'm going to hit where it says YouTube, and it'll open it in a YouTube page exactly where you were. And I think that is just a better experience. And that way you can fast forward, rewind, watch this video at your own pace. And hopefully you'll notice that most of the videos are pretty short. The long videos are maybe 6 minutes. I try to keep them all about 5 minutes or so. And when you're done, just hit next, and it takes you back. It takes you back to the menu. When you're done learning, go to I'm done learning, hit next, and hit submit just to get you out of there. All right, and that's how these all work.